Good morning, students. This is Dr. Griffin, and I'm going to give you this week's announcement on the YouTube for Business Law 161070. Hopefully you're all now becoming a little bit better on acclimation to the Blackboard class. I did some of the grading over the weekend, and we'll finish last week's assignments as far as grading it a little bit later this week. For this week, I'd like you to read and complete Chapter 1. There's a homework assignment number 2 as well. It's a legal issue. You'll see there's a legal issue embedded in the Unit 2's course materials. So you'll see that legal issue 1, and I've also included a rubric on how to prepare your assignment. You're writing in APA style. Remember, I've put a number of websites on the left side of Blackboard for you to become a little bit more familiar with how to write an APA writing style. Plus, I've included some writing samples on Blackboard as well on the course materials and course resources site for you to peruse from students that have written an APA for me before. So please become comfortable with those and submit your assignment in a Word document in Blackboard this week, and if you do that, I can comment directly on your assignment. So, again, homework assignment number 2 is out this week, and also the YouTube on legal issue 1 is available as well. Both of those assignments are due on February 4th by 10 p.m. Homework assignment number 2, again, those are Connect assignments. And once you begin that assignment, there are 20 questions, true, false, multiple choice. You must finish it within 60 minutes. So make sure you read completely Chapter 1 and also reviewed the PowerPoints before you begin the Connect assignment, which is Connect assignment number 2. And the legal issue is a written narrative APA style. So if you have any questions, please send me an email, let me know. And remember, Dr. Griffin is here to help you succeed. Thank you.